Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Duyana Juanita. In this video, I would like to tell you about a short story, After 20 Years. After 20 Years is a short story written by O. Henry, first published in his anthology, The 4,026,000. The characters are, the first is Bob, a 38 years old criminal known as Silky Bob. The second is Jimmy, a 14 years old is patrolman. And the last is the other patrolman. Plot: after 20 years, focus on the reunion of two old friends, Jimmy and Bob. Through their brief encounter, the two explore the themes of friendship, loyalty, and trust. Bob's punctuality in keeping his meeting with Jimmy perhaps best demonstrate his loyalty to their friendship. Conflict: the predominant conflict in After 20 Years is an internal one that is not apparent to the reader until the surprise ending of the story. This internal conflict arises between friendship and duty within the character of Jimmy Wells, man versus self. Settings: After 20 Years take place on a street in New York City around the turn of the 20th century. The two had grown up together and were closet of friends, but the man was leaving the next morning to go out to the west to find his fortune, and Jimmy was the type of person who would never leave New York. Them. After 20 years deals with themes relating to conflicting ideas and opposing choices. Loyalty versus the law is one that is evident as the police officer Jimmy Wells had to choose between the loyalty of his friend and the law in which he served. Analyzing: the first is orientation. The setting of the dark street in New York is introduced and the characters Bob and Jimmy are described. Rising action: Bob's tension is increased as she waits his long-time friend who has not shown up on time. Bob sees the policeman walking up the street, explain his situation. The policeman walks away. Next, a tall man walks up to Bob, giving him the assumption that it is Jimmy. This man and Bob walk down the road and Bob sees the man in front of the bright light of a drugstore. Climax: the climax in a story is the peak of emotional intensity. In After 20 Years, this peak is reached when Bob, the arresting officer, arrives at the corner drugstore, which is brilliantly illuminated. Here, Bob realized that his companion can be his old friend Jimmy Wells. Following action: the man tells Bob he is under arrest and hands him a note. Resolution: Bob read the note and realized that the policeman he spoke to earlier was in fact his old friend Jimmy. Plot summary: the story is introduced with the first character, a policeman, making his run on the dark, windy, rainy street of New York, rattling doorknobs as he checks everything is secure on his bed. It is here we meet the second character as the policeman approaches a man standing in a doorway of a hardware store. This character is Bob, and Bob's explain his reason as to why he is standing on the street at that time of night. 20 years ago, Bob and his best friend Jimmy agreed to meet at the expo at 10 o'clock at night. As Bob relates his tale, it is come to light that Bobby and Jimmy have chosen two different paths in life. Bob moved away to the west to seek fortune, while Jimmy chose to stay in New York City. After hearing Bob's story, the police officer, who noticeably has not been given a name, goes on his way. Soon, Bob is approached by the third and final character in the story, who greets Bob as his old friend Jimmy. Together, they walk down the street to find a place to eat, but it is during this time that the light shines off Jimmy's face, and Bob notices it is not his friend. The surprise climax is then revealed as this man tells Bob he is under arrest and hands him a note. As Bob read his note, it is then the plot is unified as he realized that he did meet his old friend Jimmy at the right time in the right place, as she was in fact the first policeman who stopped to talk to him on the street. Knowing he was a criminal, yet unable to arrest his friend, the policeman walked away and asked a random bystander to confront Bob instead. The moral message in this short story is that we should perform our duty with full honesty and sincerely. Those nations do not their work with full honesty, they become destroyed very soon. That's all about After 20 years short story. I'm so sorry if I have a mistake. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.